Wow, balloons! Orange bottle! Huh? Eh? Ah! Eh? Orange balloon! Hi, tomato. 3, 2, 1. Orange doggy. Wow, orange plane. Yay! Let's go. Bye, orange plane. Purple bottle. Oh, eh? Ah. Huh? Purple balloon. Whoa. Hi, tomato. 3, 2, 1. Purple doggy. Wow, purple plane. Yay! Let's go. Hooray! Bye, purple plane. Huh? Yellow bottle. No pink balloon. Huh? Ha! Yellow bottle and yellow balloon. Whoa! Hi, tomato. 3, 2, 1. Yellow doggy. Whoa, yellow plane. Yay! Let's go! Hooray! Bye, yellow plane. Huh? Pink bottle. Oh! Huh? Oh! Oh! Pink balloon! Whoa! Hi, tomato! 3, 2, 1. Pink doggy. Wow, pink plane. Yay! Let's go! Hooray! Plain. Yellow plain. Pink plain. Yay!
Hi, friends. Let's play with the colored surprise egg.
Green egg. Open. 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 Huh? Oh!
Huh? Cuquin, be careful.
Green! Whoa!
Green Play-Doh.
Oh!
Green egg.
Cat!
Oh, wow!
Big green egg!
Green frog. It's really big.
Big! Hey! Hi! Red! Oh? Huh? Oh! Oh?
Oh, look, Cuquin. I'm a clown. Red Play-Doh.
Red! Red egg! Okay. Big red egg! Red lizard!
Oh, wow, it's huge.
Very big! Blue!
Oh!
Huh?
Blue Play-Doh.
Blue! Blue egg! Wow, big blue egg! Blue turtle!
It's beautiful.
Oh, wow!
Yay!
Yellow. Oh, tomato, no ball. Play-Doh.
Yellow Play-Doh.
Yellow.
Yellow egg.
yellow egg.
Yellow mouse. Little yellow mouse.
Hat. Whoa. Green Yay! Red lizard.
Yay!
Blue turtle. Yellow mouse.
Hi, friends. Let's play with the colored surprise egg.
Yellow egg. Open. Huh?
Surprise eggs!
Oh. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Colored eggs. Red. Blue. Green. Ghost, come! Ah! Let's play. 1, 2, and 3. Red rabbit. Red egg. Oh.
Mr. Cat was flying way up high, but he soon got into trouble. Marama, meow, meow, meow. But he soon got into trouble.
One, two. And 3. Blue rabbit. Blue egg. Oh.
Underneath the button, that Cuquin had found. Leave the little mouse, so tiny and so small. So tiny and so small. Was the little mouse.
1, 2, and 3. Green rabbit. Oh. Green egg.
let's play with the colored surprise egg.
Red egg. Open. 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 Huh? Present!
Hi, Cuquin. Today, we're gonna learn the vowels. Let's start with the letter A. Not like that, Cuquin. Look.
Oh.
Not like that, Cuquin. Look. Not like that, Cuquin. Look.
A-E-I-O-U.